Hello, another AQA A-level multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to choose a different question, hit the information card up here. If you want to attempt the question yourself, pause the video now. Got the answer C. Well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. Three objects, U, V and W, leave the edge of a bench at the same time. The objects fall in the same vertical plane with negligible air resistance. U is released from rest, so it falls vertically. V and W are projected horizontally. So V and W both have some sort of horizontal component of velocity. The paths of the three objects are shown. We can see W has a larger horizontal velocity than V because it's travelled further out from the bench before it hits the floor. So when they hit the ground, they've all got the same vertical velocity because none of them had any vertical velocity to begin with, and they've all been accelerating in the vertical direction due to gravity, so they've all got the same vertical component when they hit the ground. Component U was just dropped, so it has no horizontal velocity, but component U has also a horizontal component of velocity, and so does component W, but component W has a larger component of horizontal velocity. So that means component W is going to have a greater resultant speed than either of the other two. So let's have a look at the statements. U hits the floor before V and W. No, they're all going to hit the floor at the same time because they've all got the same vertical component of velocity. W hits the floor before... No, we've just said they're all going to hit the floor at the same time. W hits the floor with the greatest speed. Yes, it's the greatest speed because although it has the same vertical component of velocity as U and V, it has a larger horizontal component of velocity. So the answer is C. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button please. Give me a like, share with your friends and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.